straight from the top, yeah, in my white tee. Yeah, look hype, but this for the hype keys.
Yeah, time to stop after, alright?
This is the checks, not my checks, not my.
So dito pwede kayo mag-istora kung gusto nyo, ha?
Bangers in the system, bangers in the system, Asian and all key. Bangers in the
Okay,
system,
guys, Big attempting for a three, no good.
MIA.
No good. Pinasok kay Marlon. Marlon, dire-diretso. Binigay kay Sean with the reverse passo! What a nice play. Pasa sa ilalim sa may reverse. Nice play. Ben, dribbling the ball, pinasok kay Ganya. Ganya, pinasok kay Vic. Vic, mid-range. No good. Oliver. Oliver, pinasok kay Black shirt. Long pass. Turnover off. Ben handling the ball. Over. Pick up pass to Rodman. Ganya for three. No good. Rebound by Ben. No good again. Loose ball by Marlon. Nice on the right by Fire. Easy to. From attempting a shield to converting to Here's Reed. Leading to a third over. Rodman handling the ball. Right. Rodman. Pinasok kay Big. Big comes to Rodman. All across the bench. Pull up, Kobe. No good. Rebound by Sean. Sean. Oh, your shot. Pinasok kay Marlon. Marlon on the left side. Pinasok sa gitna kay Sean. What a fake. Team move. Let's defense by Sean. Tinigman talaga ang kalawa. Big. Pinasok kay Ben. Ben, floater off the ball. Rebound by Marlon. Marlon 2-on-1. 2-on-1 Marlon. Big.
6-2.
Long step by Marlon to the easy 2. 6-2. Naman po ang apat. Ganya on the left side. Tinira off the ball.
6-4.
6-4. Blaster. Binigay kay Oliver. Pass kay John. Ay, ang sinasabi ko. Pass only, no dribble. Rodman.
Binabati ko nga pala. Happy watching.
Happy watching nga pala sa kaibigan natin, si Lawrence Santos. Lawrence Santos, isang kilalang seller ng Shanghai.
Sakay Joyce.
Kung gusto nyo na Shanghai, just DM Lawrence Santos.
Shanghai Joyce.
Oliver with the back boost. Easy to. Ben handling the ball. Pinasok kay Rodman. 10-4 ang score. 10-4. Attempting for a three. No good. Okay. Set tayo. Mababa ang oras mga boys. Number 7. Looking to pass. Black shirt. Uy, with a pick by Oliver. Kick out pass for 3 points. Pinalik sa ilalim. Pinalik sa kay Sean. Alright. Foul committed. Same ball. Okay, number 7. Post play by Marlon. Two defenders on him. Kanan, speed move. Solo pass by Sean. Foul. Same ball.
ever since I left the city. Started wearing shoes on now more.
Kick out 4-point play. Binigay kay Sean. Steal by Smith. Binigay kay Ben. Masyadong malalim. Smart play by Ben Singmore. 10-4, 6 ang kalamangan. Pinasa kay Isaiah. Bullet! Block by Marlon. Close to close na to. Attempting a steal, loose ball. Recovered by Ganya. Binigay kay Beck. Beck. Pass to Isaiah. Isaiah. Recovering the ball. Beck. No good. Handled by Blackshirt. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7. Big 3. Alley-oop. By number 7 to Oliver. Okay, Ganya. Binigay kay Beck. Looking to pass. Binalik kay Ben. Ben is a pick. Nilagay. No. John handling the ball. John with a crossover. Nakawala. Side step. Long step. No good. Isaiah handling the ball. 3-on-1. Pinasok kay Beck. Nilagay. 2 points. 1-6. Ano yung kalamangan? Nakatalikod. Kinakita. Ganya. Handling the ball. Here. No good.
Okay, ano mo na yun? $12-8, $12-8, $12-8.
Number 7, handling the ball, pinasa kay Oliver sa ilalim. Binigay kay Blackshirt. Pull up 3. No good. Rebound again by Oliver. Binigay kay Marlon. Off the board, Pagso.
14-10, 14-10.
14-10, naman po ang kalamangan ng Team A. Sigilan ang laban na to sa last game. Okay, Rodman. Marlon, attempting to steal. Defending the ball. Jordan. Binigay kay Ganya. Ganya binigay kay Rodman. Binigay kay Fake. Attempting for a 3. 3 points. Pasok.
14-13, 14-13.
14-13. Isa na po ang kalamangan ng Team A. Oliver. On the corner. Binalik. Binigay kay Marlon with a 4-point play. Wala. Ganya. Attempting to rebound, but the steal by Oliver. Oliver, binigay kay Marlon. Alley-oop! 16-13. Tatlo po ang kalamangan. Vic. Back-to-back 3. No good. Number 7. Handling the ball. Binigay kay Blackshirt, attempting for a 3. 3 points! 19-13. Ganya handling the ball. Binigay kay Check. Kick ball. Sub. Sub na nangyari. Isaiah, binigay kay Shake. Check, binigay kay Ganya. Attempting for a three. Pasok!
1916.
Ganya. 1916. 3 points na lang po ang Kalamangan. Oliver. Defending the ball. Pick. Hinahabol yung bola. Binalik kay number 7. Pick and roll. Speed move. Kick out. 3 points. Binigay kay Sean. Post move. Another pass by Oliver. Then kay Marlon. Bilis. Okay. Nagmataas yung bola. 4 points. No good. Pick. Attempting to speed move but sealed by Sean. Sean binigay kay Marlon. Binalik kay Sean. Oy, binigay isang kalaban. What a hypnotizing move. Ganya. Easy to by Ganya.
1918.
1918, isa na lang po ang Kalamangan. Number 33. Binigay kay Oliver. Oliver for 3. No good. Okay, then the hypnotizer. On the right side. Pull up. Kobe. Binigay kay Ganya. So,
Lamang.
Chase Favor, 1920. Labang po ang Team B. Number 33. Pinasa kay Sean. No good. Pinasa ulit. No good. Rebound. No good. Another attempt. Change Favor. 21-20. Lamang mula ulit ang Team A. Hodman. Ating na ball. Uy, masyadong madalas. What a nice hustle play by Marlon. What a steal. Alley-oop. Good shot. 2 points. Tatlo po ang Kalamangan. 23-20. Tatlo lang po ang Kalamangan. Only 3. Crossover. Left side. 2 defenders on it. What a nice defense by Team B. Ay, Team A. John. Binigay kay number 33. Libre. 5. Medyo gumagana na po ang chemistry dito ng Team A. Ben. Marlon. Checking on him. Okay, nakawala sa isa. Dalawa. On rebound. Nilagay yung bola. Past 3 defenders by Ben. 25-22. Nandun na lang po ang Kalamangan. Time check, 9:56. You have still 4 minutes left to play, guys. Oliver binigay kay number 7, 33 with the lefty. No good. 25-22 at the ball. Kalamangan, 2-on-2. Binigay kay Pick. Nilagay yung bola, no good. Oliver binigay kay number 7. What a nice pass by number 7. Na napunta sa ilalim ng ball with the easy 2.
27, 22.
Lima po ang Kalamangan. Time check, 9:56 pa rin. Okay. Napunta sa kabilang dimensyon yung bola. Hopefully lahat po tayo ay naka 4 or 3 games. At least 3 games. Okay, number 7. Pinasa kay Marlon. Pinasa kay number 33 for 3. Oh, good. Beck. Handling the ball. Binigay kay Ganya. Ganya setting for a 3. No good. Rebound by number 33 with a power rebound. Number 7. Number 7. Pass it on the corner to Marlon. For 3. No good. The pick. Pick. Binigay kay Isaiah. Oh, on the right side, 3 pick. Binigay kay Ben. Okay, 2 defenders on him. Isang itim, dalawang puti. No good. Number 33. Pinasa kay Oliver. Easy 2. Grabe yun. Isaiah for 3.
Oh, ingat.
Ben.
Oh, ingat.
Alright, number 7. Pinasa, no lupas si Oliver. Pero third three pala yun.
Left to 1, 24.
21-24. Walo, ito ang kalamangan. Ben. Attempting for a layup, no good. Number 7. Pinasa kay Marlon. Outside. Time check, 9:59. 1 minute left. 1 minute. 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left. At ito, itatagal po natin yung 1 minute.
Go, 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 go!
Go, go. 31-24. Lamang po ang Team A. Or Team Limasyon. Yan, yan. Pinasa kay Rodman Forgery. Masong! 27-21. Apat ang mga kalaban. 33. Diretso. Pinasa kay John Forgery. Ang bilis ng bulak. Good.
30 seconds.
Okay, last possession tayo, last possession.